Welcome to this tutorial on how to enable notifications for Facebook's People You May Know feature on your PC. If you're interested in staying connected with potential friends or acquaintances suggested by Facebook, this guide is for you. Facebook's People You May Know feature uses advanced algorithms to suggest new connections based on your profile information, mutual friends, and even contact lists, if you've allowed access. While some find this feature helpful, others might not be aware of how to manage its notifications effectively. To start, open Facebook on your computer and click on your profile photo located at the top right corner of the screen. This will open a drop-down menu where you can access various settings. Next, select Settings and Privacy from this menu, and then click on Settings. This will take you to a comprehensive list of options where you can customize your Facebook experience. From the left sidebar, choose Notifications. Here, you'll find a wide range of notification types that you can manage, including those for comments, likes, and more importantly, people you may know. Once you're in the Notifications section, scroll down until you see People You May Know. Click on this option to view the notification settings specific to this feature. Now, to enable notifications for People You May Know, you'll need to toggle on the Allow Notifications on Facebook option. This will ensure that you receive notifications whenever Facebook suggests someone you might know. By enabling these notifications, you'll stay informed about potential connections that Facebook suggests based on its algorithms. This can be particularly useful if you're looking to expand your social network or reconnect with acquaintances. Remember, managing your notifications is key to a personalized Facebook experience. Whether you're interested in staying connected with new people or simply want to keep your notifications organized, this feature allows you to do just that. That's it. With these simple steps, you can now receive notifications for Facebook's People You May Know feature on your PC. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.